Sound is the first sense to develop in the womb and the last sense to go when we die. Many ancient cultures had practices for midwiving birth and death, using sound, music, spoken or sung prayers, knowing the importance of these critical thresholds.
That's very powerful, because then that means that hearing and sound must be coming directly from source, and that perhaps sound as the first sense is the way that we can most directly connect with source.
Many traditions around the world use symbols, instruments, and songs to express their origins. In the Gnostic tradition, existence is represented as a circle with a dot in the center. Countless lines